Hello everyone. This question is asked in the Cbse board exam of class 12th physics, which was held today on 20th February 26. So you can see this circuit, and in first question they have asked the total capacitance of the circuit. So we can see it from here. 6 microfarad and 3 microfarad, two capacitors are there. They are connected in series. So we know the equivalent capacitance formula for the series is 1 by C is equal to the 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Right? So if we would put the values 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3, so we will get 2 by 6, 3 by 6, which is equivalent to the 1 by 2. So we can find the value of C that would be equivalent to the 2 microfarad, right? So the first answer would be equal to the 2 microfarad. Okay, let's move to the second question. So in second question, the current in 10 ohm resistor is asked. So you can see this 10 ohm resistance is here, resistor is here, and this one is 5 ohm resistance, right? So this capacitor, it is connected with the DC supply, so we know current would not flow from this arm. So ultimately we are having only these two resistors in the circuit, and your new circuit would be 3 volt battery, this 5 ohm resistor, and the next 10 ohm resistance, right? So the equivalent resistance of the circuit would be 15 ohm, and the voltage is 3 volt. So we know current is equal to the V by R, and V is 3 volt and this one is resistance is 15. So we will get 0.2 ampere current. So the answer of the second question would be 0.2 ampere, right? So next move to the third question. They have asked the potential difference between A and B, right? So these 2 points are here, A and B. So we know that in parallel connection voltage is same. So these 2 points will have the same potential difference, whatever potential difference is across this 10 ohm resistor. So we know V is equal to the IR. I we have already calculated just now, that was the 0.2 ampere, right? So 0.2 into R is 10. So we will have 2 volt. 2 volt. Okay. So the potential difference across A and B would be 2 volts. So A will be your answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. The value of charge on the plates of the 6 microfarad capacitor. Okay. So these two are connected in series. So equivalent resistance we have, equivalent capacitance we have already calculated. Now in series current is same, so obviously the charge would be the same. So the capacitance, equivalent capacitance was 2 microfarad, right? Okay, we know the formula of charge. Q is equal to the CV. Okay, C is 2, and voltage across AB point we have just now calculated, that was 2 volt, right? So 2 is a 4. So we got the this 4 microcoulomb answer for the fourth question. And last one is the wire between two capacitor is cut at point P. So this is the point P. Here they have cut the wire. The current in the circuit would be, we already know in capacitor, in this arm there is no current, right? So it means if you cut this wire from here also, then it would not affect the circuit, and in the circuit the current would remain same. The C will be the perfect answer. Fine. So for first 2 microfarad is the answer. For second, we have calculated 0.2 ampere, right? And for third we have calculated the potential difference, that was 2 volt. For fourth question we got the 4 microcoulomb answer, and for fifth question we got the C answer. This is it for this question. Thank you everyone.